At Kiwi.com, we're travel hackers. So this summer, we wanted to go big. Find world travel hackers. 12 content creators who could travel the world and complete challenges, but on a budget. To spread the word, we ran ads on our social media platforms and with our influencers. And soon, we had 1,200 pairs of people applying for the job. The entries were so good, we had to expand our shortlist from 20 to 40. And all 40 candidates wanted to give us an interview and do a short Instagram story takeover. Choosing 6 pairs was just too difficult. So we have 7 instead.
We got it, baby! We got it!
We did it! Thank you so much!
I'm so excited!
Me too.
Προσπήρε Kiwi. Αλήθεια.
We won the Kiwi competition.
Nah, you kidding? It's a joke.
We're going to South America!
South America!
Follow our world travel hackers this summer as they explore the world with Kiwi.com.